Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to work on a Blazer. I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, on today's episode, we're going to see if you can unbolt the Chevy small block and let it fall out the bottom onto the floor. Just kidding. We're going to pull an engine out the right way, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so here's the Blazer that we're going to get the engine for, or that we put together that engine for. We're not 100% sure. We are told this is locked up, but we're going to check it and see. Let's see if we can figure out what year this is. It's a 1984.
Is it?
It's an 84 with a 5-liter.
Okay.
That's what it's got. So
that's what I'm putting in it.
That's what it's getting back.
No air pump though.
So the options over here. Looks like it needs a radiator. Alright, well, we're going to pull it down to the shop. Let's take a peek inside. There's the passenger side window. A little bit on the seat too. It's pretty rust free, so this would be a good project for someone.
And I'm gonna have to have my other one done.
Yeah, this will make a good project. It's nice and rust free.
I just want to get this
So.
done.
Alright, we're gonna let this Blazer roll. We're gonna get it up into the shop. So he's moving that Suburban out of the way, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna see if it just rolls or if we gotta push. Yeah, we gotta push.
Brakes seem to work.
Okay.
What do you think about going that way around the... That would probably be a clearer shot, right? Instead of going in between the trucks.
Yeah.
I say I got brakes, so
Okay.
just yell stop if I need to stop.
All right.
I don't see something.
Yeah, okay. Alright, we're going to throw a battery in here and turn the key and see what happens. somebody pilfered the ends, but that'll still work. We'll,
Can you get that off?
get a clamp. Oh, cow.
Can you put that on a sled?
I'm gonna have to get a tool. Alright. Battery terminals are on. Starter spins. Sounds like the Bendix isn't kicking out.
Yeah. Do you want to try and tap it?
Yeah, let me grab a device. Yeah.
And we'll tap on it that way or manually. I have another starter over here that we could pop on there. Well, let's lift it up. I wonder if he was getting ready to pull this motor because we didn't get a shot of it. I didn't notice if it was in the back. Okay, I'm gonna get this and try that.
I wonder if there's just crud in there.
What year did you say this was?
84.
Let's see what transmission it has in it.
I think it's an overdrive, like a 700 R4.
I think so too. It must be the, it's got the electrical connection, so it's the one with the lockup,
Yeah.
the electronic lockup. Oh, that sucker.
No turning turn.
Oh, we got sockets over there, what am I doing?
Alright, so the motor's stuck, so we're gonna see what the oil looks like, but otherwise that other motor's gonna go in here. We're gonna see if there's any other fluids in the oil.
I wonder who she's talking to. Look at that.
That looks like water.
I had a feeling. So water sits at the bottom.
Yeah.
We'll see if there's any oil on top of it. Hey, it's clean. You could probably drink
Clean,
it.
you can drink that one. Drink?
I mean, this hood's been closed.
Yeah. No, this came from the radiator. Oh my god.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
It's not even, Ken? It's not even antifreeze. It's not even, it's just salty water.
There it goes. Now back to water. Now combo.
That was really clean water, though.
It was. That's crazy. Oh, there's some sludge oozing out. Ooh. I won't even say what that looks like.
I still think there's more crap in there after this comes out.
Oh, wow.
It's alive. Yeah, I don't know why this motor's locked up. But that was really clean water.
It was. That was crazy.
I got a screwdriver in.
That is nuts. There's more water in there. Well, I'm no expert, but that doesn't look the best. All right, we're gonna pull this engine out and get ready to put the other one in. Ed's gonna torch off the exhaust bolts. I think we're gonna leave the transmission in and all that stuff and just pull the engine out. It's gonna have to come out with the torque converter.
Yeah. And that thing for that little thing's got some torque to it. Get it?
Yeah. Battery's still hooked up. We didn't want to pull the starter down and weld with it. Here's another sign that there just might be a problem. That freeze plug is gone.
Oh, it just popped out?
Yeah.
I know. And that's not the case.
We're just gonna put a strap on it to keep the transmission up when we pull it.
Just like decide where I want to put it.
I didn't have it recording when Ed said this, but it was perfect. You know, this is the kind of stuff like that freeze plug out, the water and the oil and all that kind of stuff where when they say, oh, it just needs a starter, that's all that's wrong with it. Those are the flags that should go up. So this one in reality, he was told it just needed a, I don't know, something minor.
Yeah, it ran good.
Ran good, but it needs an engine.
I heard it lift.
Yeah. All right. Lower radiator is off because the radiator's gone.
All right, right, I think that's it, right?
Yeah, I think we just gotta let her down now and start on the top.
Get the 13 and shut this foot off.
Alright, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Oh!
Frozen? We might have...
Alright guys, welcome back. It's probably dark. Now I'm in my head. Alright, this is going to be the spot to stand, I hope. This would be kind of cool. Alright, I think we'll do this. Alright guys. Alright, here we go now. I did that too soon. I gotta leave a little break so I don't look like I'm moving when I come on.